How to shuffle the order of if statements in a function in Python. I have a functions in Python which has a series of if statements. But I want that the order of these if statements is changed every time I call the function. Like if I call the function, there can be a case when condition_1 and condition_2 both are true, but since condition_1 is checked first, thus I will get result_1, but I want that when I call the function second time some other random condition to be checked. Since I have only 5 if statements in the function, therefore any one of the 5 conditions. So is there any way to do this, like storing the conditions in a list or something? Any help will be appreciated.
You can create list of condition and result, then shuffle them like below. Output.
This one only evaluates as much as necessary, i.e., just as much as literally shuffled if statements would. Or more efficiently, at least for large lists, reusing the same list every time and only shuffling as much as needed. Demo, try it online. Sample output.
If you want to shuffle at runtime, then put your conditions and results as functions in a list of functions once and shuffle it each time. Then evaluate those functions in that shuffled order until you get a non-falsy value, assuming the return statements always return a non-falsy value. At the time of writing you did not provide a concrete example, so I'll work with this one. Here odd underscore or underscore multiple of 3 9 will return odd, but when the if blocks are swapped, it would return multiple of 3. To let the evaluation of blocks happen in a random order, so that you could get either of these return values, you could do this. This way of working will guarantee that conditions are only evaluated for as long as they don't return a truthy value, not more.